Yo, what's good YouTube? It's Vincent here. This is my last week in my corporate housing and I just want to give you guys a quick tour. So let's get started. These doors are powered by fob, so you just have to tap it like this and then it just unlocks. Welcome, welcome. So once you come in here, you're gonna see this lovely painting right here. Great art, absolute beauty. And then right here to the left, you're gonna have a den, aka the office space, which I don't really use because due to work from home, I got so used to working on a couch that I don't even work on a desk anymore. Anyways, it's pretty nice. This table is nice and clear. You can see my hand underneath, super cool. And then you got this nice wide mirror here. This is where I check myself out before I leave the house. Anyways, now back on track. So right here, you're gonna have the living room, great space, lots of lighting, lots of windows, I love it. So you got this nice couch here. This is actually where I do most of my work. This couch is very comfy, and after working from home for a while, I got really used to working on a couch. And everyone seems to make fun of me for using a trackpad, but you know, it is what it is. I got so used to this, and I'm just way more productive on a couch nowadays. And here you got this cool desk and this cool rug here. Super soft, super soft. And here you got a TV, and in the background, of course, you're gonna hear a siren because this is New York. And here you got this nice chair where I usually put my backpack, and this is where I rest my laptop for my work. And yeah, check out this view. So I'm on the second floor, and here we got some bird poop, which needs to be cleaned. Cool, so now let's head on over here where we have the kitchen. So right here we got this cool looking lamp, and here we got the kitchen table, and here I have some snacks. And for breakfast, I love to eat cereal, and that's what I got here. And it's from Kellogg's, Raisin brand. Anyways, here we got a lovely kitchen. It has everything you need already, so you don't really need to bring anything. And here we have a lovely dishwasher. However, I don't really use dishwashers, so I just use it as a drying rack. Very cool. And here we have the stove. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any type of ventilation, so I end up having to just open this window here. So all we have to do is just crank it a bit and pull. And now we got some nice New York fresh air. Lovely. Smells so good. The fresh air of New York and the honking. And now I'm gonna close it because it's kind of noisy. There we go. And here I got this lovely view of some construction. Love it. And with the kitchen, you got a microwave, which is awesome. And I had to hit up Trader Joe's to get some oil and some seasoning. But anyways, let's open this drawer. And here we come furnished with your bowls and plates and glasses, which is awesome. And of course, I got some instant noodles here when I'm really hungry and too lazy to cook. And here you have the sink, and here you got a fridge. And if you open it, I don't really got much except for some drinks and maybe some booze. Now let's head down this hallway, and here we have this gigantic closet, so let's open it. So here they have some cleaning supplies with a vacuum and a mop. And here you can see the few outfits that I have, not too much. And now let's close this. And now welcome to my bedroom. You got this nice huge bed. I'm gonna say that it's a queen size bed. It's pretty big and comfy. And here you got a nice view as well. And I also get this lovely TV, which I don't really use because I don't really watch TV. Cool, and then you got this artistic piece here, which I'm not really sure what it is, but it looks pretty cool. And here we got this lovely nightstand and also another closet. And let's open this up. And this is great. We got towels and hangers and also this safe where I keep all my money. I lied, there's nothing inside because I have nothing important to keep anyways. And now let's check out the washroom. So here we have a lovely washroom. We have one toilet here, a sink, and also a lovely shower. And it's pretty spacious in there. Cool, that's pretty much the house tour. Thanks for joining me. And now let's check out the amenities and also the rooftop. So here we got this lovely gym, which I don't really use because I have my own gym membership, but it's a great spot if you need to work out. Has treadmills, some weights, and some cable machines. Very cool. And here we also have the laundry machines. They're free, they don't cost anything, so you can wash as much as you want, which is great. And there's also a dryer as well, which is also free. So this is great. Welcome, welcome. This is the rooftop, and we got some lovely sun today. Very good weather. And you got some benches here that you can sit, and you also get a lovely view of the city. It's pretty awesome. Check out these views. Woo. But anyways, thanks for joining me on this tour. For anyone that wants to be a software engineer, I highly recommend that you try to move to a different city. Especially for anyone that's young, it's a great way to get new experiences and to also immerse yourself in a new city. And the best part is, this is covered by the company. But at the end of the day, it is taxable, but it is what it is. I got to live here for about a month and it was super worth it. It gave me time to look for an apartment and to also get myself familiar with the area. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Peace out.